actually pretty exciting because it's not like a class, like an actual summer school. It's like just you get to build whatever you want and play around with it.
This class is super cool for kids that like to have a hands-on experience with building Legos, but also using engineering skills as well. So this whole week they've been building their robots and hooking up the heads with the batteries and things.
If you can make it, it's like impressive how it actually works.
They are problem solving, so keeping the mind sharp and allowing them to have some creativity with their robots.
If you're interested in Legos, you might as well just come on over.